Can we just stop? Look at those feet. The cuteness. Are you covering your eyes? Is it too bright in here?
Oh, he's purring. Ow, ow, ow.
Helikopter, helikopter. Parakoffer, parakoffer.
Thanks. Banksy. Look, Banksy. Look. Banks. Banksy.
That's evil. You're different. You're different. I'm scared.
$925. This is because there are different speeds for the spousal benefit and the primary filer's benefit to get to full retirement age benefit of 100% or 50% in the case of the spousal benefit. But what if you're 63 and you have a primary benefit coming, but your spouse hasn't filed yet? So you file at age 63 and you get 75.
What the heck? Where did you come from? What? I'm not allowed to watch this? Huh? What?
Bean. No. Stop. No.
И смотри, как она...
Steif und fest, dass der Fleck schon vorher auf den Plan war. C. Lena verzichtet auf die Wahrheit und nimmt die Schuld auf sich oder...
Honey, I don't think you found its intended purpose.
Drugs.
No, we're okay.
Drugs.
This is awkward. No, thank you.
Drugs.
Who invited?
Oh. See.
I said I can't do it.
Really? Lying around here, watching while she gets on with her life, meeting someone, being happy. We'll be devastated. Go. Schedule